Tired of missing sales targets? ValueOrbit is your AI-guided selling solution to overcome pipeline challenges. It is like Google Maps for sales. ValueOrbit empowers you to coach yourself on proven sales methodologies, ensuring every step to win is covered. Prioritize your workflow and receive real-time guidance to master your sales technique and unlock clear next steps on every deal. Say goodbye to manual data entry with seamless workflow automation. Need to update your methodology notes and get ready for a pipeline review? Simply talk to your deal and let one of many ValueOrbit Copilot agents instantly summarize your content into methodology context and update fields automatically. Folks, ValueOrbit is a game changer for every sales rep out there. And the best part about it, you can start using it completely free. Ready to transform your sales? Experience ValueOrbit and master your sales today.